Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Check model and OS on the watch and make sure the phone is paired. Once done, open the phone's companion app or the watch section in the phone's app store. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. The store will need a connection to download. You'll also grant location and storage permissions when prompted, because the watch installer uses the phone as a proxy. Start the download from the phone to push the package to your watch. You'll see transfer progress on the phone and watch. Watch the status and respond to prompts. When the watch asks for permissions, accept what's required for core features and customize others. This prevents broken features. Once installed, open the app on the watch and on the phone to complete account sign-in and sync settings. If the app requires a watch firmware update, make sure to allow it. Updates resolve many incompatibilities and enable background services the app may need. Finish by opening the app on the watch and confirming data sync with the phone. Test one key feature so you know it works. If installation stalls or the app won't launch, restart the watch and phone first. This often restores the connection. If problems persist, remove the app from the phone's companion manager and reinstall. Make sure the watch has at least 20% battery during transfers. If you still hit errors, one key troubleshooting tip: check for and install any pending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.